Bubuksan ng PNP ang mga record nito para makatulong sa investigasyon ukol sa Duterte drug war. Bukod pa yan sa investigasyon na isinasagawa ng NAPOLCOM sa umunoy extrajudicial killings. Nakatutok si Chino Gaston.
Bubuksan na raw ng Philippine National Police ang access sa mga police record tungkol sa madugong war on drugs noong panahon ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. Ayon kay NAPOLCOM Vice Chairman Rafael Vicente Calinisan, nararapat na buksan ang PNP records. Kahapon, sinabi ng Commission on Human Rights na may iniimbestigahan silang 400 na kaso ng extrajudicial killings o EJ case na inuugnay sa war on drugs. Pero wala raw inilalabas na record sa kanila ang ibang ahensya ng gobyerno, partikular ang PNP.
The legal defense of the Philippine National Police is the Executive Order Number 2 and the list of exception. Executive Order Number 2 is the Freedom of Information order issued by then President Duterte, and there are list of exceptions which include police investigations as confidential.
Sa ilalim ng Executive Order Number 2 ni Duterte, pwedeng tumanggi ang PNP na maglabas ng records ang PNP sa ibang investigative bodies ng gobyerno kapag makakaapekto ito sa mga investigasyon, makompromiso ang mga intelligence sources o maapektuhan ang paglilitis ng isang akusado.
Would the National Police Commission have a position, if I may, Mr. Chair, on this alleged refusal of the PNP to provide documents on the basis of Executive Order Number 2?
We had a talk with the previous leadership of the PNP. In fact, I was there alongside Representative De Lima. And the direction right now is to actually provide access to investigative bodies because that should be the course of things. So hopefully with the new Chief PNP and of course with the National Police Commission who is currently investigating the EJ case, we will get somewhere.
Sa opisyal na datos ng PNP, mahigit 6,000 ang mga namatay kaugnay ng mga anti-drug operations mula 2016 hanggang 2022. Pero ayon sa ilang grupo, posibleng umabot daw ito sa mahigit 12,000. Bagaman hindi inaanunsyo, nagsasagawa ng sariling investigasyon ang National Police Commission o NAPOLCOM tungkol sa mga EJK noong panahon ng Duterte administration.
We need assurances from the Philippine National Police that they will provide full cooperation with the Commission on Human Rights in its fulfillment of its mandate. Could I hear from the Vice Chair of the National Police Commission their position on this matter?
We're actually doing a targeted investigation on the EJ case, Mr. Chair. We have not announced it, but we are doing our homework. So it is ongoing.
Noong 2023, sinabi ng CHR na handa itong makipagtulungan sa International Criminal Court sa tinatayang higit 12,000 na namatay kaugnay ng war on drugs. Muli ang binanggit ngayong araw ng CHR.
Kasama sa mandate namin actually yun, pero it depends actually on the nature of the request, the cooperation being requested. Basta in accordance with our mandate, pwede.
Para sa GMA Integrated News, Chino Gaston nakatutok, 24 oras.